What's up, everyone? It's Tasha and Jen from Honest Try TV, and y'all know what it is. We went shopping again. We got our son. He going out to a beach trip, so we wanted him to be able to have something to put all of his toiletries in. So we found this little nifty bag on Amazon, and we're gonna let y'all know what it do, how it is, what you can fit in there. Stay tuned. Hey, drop comments.
Right.
We're gonna have the link below if y'all want to go and purchase it, and also like, follow, share. Hey, go Jen.
All right. So this package just came in a little wrapping. Took it out, and then it's super flat, as you can tell. What's pretty cool is the fact that it expands a lot in here. We saw on the reviews on Amazon that a lot can fit in here. So it doesn't look like it. I feel like it's pretty small, and there is some, it is a little deep, but it's giving.
Looks like a little lunchbox.
I was gonna say, it's giving lunchbox. So you open it up, there is no pocket in front here, and there is the name of it. But you open it up and it comes in with a little information thank you card. What's really cool is you could obviously hang this up, and as you do, we got multiple layers. Like that's pretty big, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and add in some of the things that our son is gonna use for his beach trip. But just to walk you through, we got a little pocket here. This is sort of like shampoo, conditioners, extra wide pocket here with the zipper, and there's some straps in here also.
That's neat.
To just hold your items in place. And then here, clear package for a lot of items that you will want to put in here. This part is giving me like a makeup bag. Literally, you could put all your makeup in there. So let's go ahead and see what we can fit. All right, so we have travel shampoo. I'm gonna slide that in here. We got his deodorant. Slide that right there. He's going to the beach, so you're gonna need some sunblock. We're gonna go ahead and put that through one of these little loops, see if that fits, and does pretty well. He bringing his whole cologne because he got to smell good. We're gonna, oh, it fits in here. Wow, that's awesome. Toothpaste. This is great. Hairbrush. All right. Washcloth. Put this in this little pocket. Soap. So we obviously still need to add in, here's this little hair tie. Put that in the tiny zipper up here. And I'm zipping everything up. We gotta put toothbrush and all of that stuff, but we're doing that very, very last. Okay. Is it giving? Yes, it is. Whoa. So far, hair ties here. Little components there. These are pretty snug in here, but it's holding its space. And then I just bump. Probably add this in there first. And zip it up. I plan to use this for work when I travel as well. And I'm gonna have a lot more stuff in there, like my straightener, my makeup. There you go. I like it. I think it's really, there's still so much space in here for just the little items that we put in here for his beach trip, but it's still pretty compact. We're gonna be adding this into his travel bag that he has, and you can tell there's not a lot of space in there already. So this, being as small and compact as it is, but holding these many items, like literally, we're set. So I'm a fan, and I'm excited to use it for personal use too. But yeah, super easy. I think what I would have liked, I'm just a big fan of double zippers. So it would have been great if it had 2 zippers personally. You could hang it though, that's pretty cool. It would have been cute to have a little extra zipper in the front too for other easy access things. But other than that, yo, there's a lot of space in here still. Like this whole area and this whole bag could still be stuffed up. So yeah, I think it's great. It feels really durable too. It doesn't feel cheap. Anything else you want to add, honey?
Just that it came in different colors. Black wasn't the only color, so if you click on the link below, you can see all the different colors it came in. I think the black was the cheapest one, so we just grabbed it.
Right.
They also had like a variety of colors. I think there was like a green and maybe a pink,
Purple, yeah,
something like that. So you guys can choose whichever color you guys want. And I think it was about what, $16, $17?
Just about, yeah.
$16, $17 for it. So yeah, drop comments below. Let us know if you would purchase it or not. Let us know what you think. And if you do get one, let us know what color you got and if you enjoy it.
Exactly. I'm sure you're gonna feel so much more in there, and we can't wait to hear how fantastic this is gonna work for y'all. So check out the link below. Let us know how it works out for you, and y'all see us next time.
Right. And always don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Toodles.